and we were talking about 30 plus best ways to make money online in Pakistan without any investment in 2022. And our next topic is write and publish Kindle ebooks. Make money through article writing is very similar to the method. People who are capable of writing small articles by their hobbies can easily earn large books, can easily write large books as well. Nowadays, people make money online in Pakistan with writing PDF or Word format books and sell them on Amazon and countless other platforms. You can experience author, then why not publish a great book right now, right away, and make money from it? And another topic we have here is sell food on Foodpanda. The Foodpanda brand is another online grocery and food delivery platform owned by Delivery Hero. As a result of its growth, Foodpanda is now has branches in each city of Pakistan. For many unemployed individuals, the company is their sole source of income. On the online marketing, on the online marketplace, Foodpanda stands out in Pakistan. You have to earn money online. If you wish to earn money online in Pakistan, work for this company, then go to their official website and read all information on their jobs and apply from there to make money online without any investment. And another topic we have here is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the practice of selling affiliate products online. It is important to find niche products before starting affiliate marketing. People have to make a lot of money from affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing offers countless ways to make money. The most popular affiliate marketing platform with Amazon, which is used around the world. In affiliate marketing, we take someone's product and sell it on our own and make money as a commission. In Pakistan, it depends on how much you sell and how much commission you earn. Buy and sell domains. Buying and selling domains is another topic, and is also another way to make money online in Pakistan. The easiest way and fastest to start buying and selling domain names. And domain names, you will find thousands of websites where you can purchase any domain by searching Google by domain. You can easily purchase a domain at GoDaddy, which is the most popular website in buying domains. When you can buy a domain, you can sell it for the price you want. You will be able to see how easy it is to buy and sell a domain, as well as how easy it is to earn money online. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.